Good day, beautiful people. I'm Justina and welcome back to my channel, DIY Natural Skincare. So today let's make again a very simple recipe which I actually seen on somewhere on Facebook, on Instagram, where the Formula Botanica shared this lip serum, and I'm like, this is so simple and so easy to make. So, and the funny thing is that they used exactly the same little ones, like dropper bottles, which I actually ordered like 2 years ago, and I had something in mind to do this, but I then forgot it, and I remember, oh, I have them. Okay, so let's make a video. So let's make a video. So what you're gonna need a little dropper bottles. I got them actually from AliExpress. It was really cheap. I think it was like in a pack, it's like 10 or something. And I think it's like 3 mils. The size of the bottle is like 3 mils or something. So you're gonna need a little these dropper bottles. The another ingredients, I didn't do exactly this, the one Formula Botanica has done. I checked, I took some other ingredients and some of them I left. So the first ingredient, what I have in here argan oil. It's natural, it's organic, it doesn't smell, it's a light in yellow color argan oil. Argan oil, it is packed with antioxidants. It's very good oil, not for the skin and for your hair, but for your lips as well. Helps to maintain moisture and hydrates your lips. So another ingredient I have in here squalene as well. It's white in color and it doesn't smell anything at all. And squalene, it's super oil for treating dry and chapped lips. The next ingredient I have in here is the rosehip oil. Rosehip oil, it regenerates your lips and it makes them more suited and soften your lips. Then as well, I choose to use some of the castor oil. Castor oil, it's a thick oil. It creates this protective layer onto your lips, and what it does, it gives this nice, like glossy and shiny look, like a lip gloss. So I like to use a castor oil for the lips. And as well, I have a vitamin E, which is antioxidant, and vitamin E, what it's gonna do, it helps to for all these oil-based formula not to get rancid. Okay, and as well I choose a Roman chamomile essential oil. I love Roman chamomile. I love the smell. I don't know, maybe not everyone loves Roman chamomile smell, but I love the smell. So if you don't have any of these oils, or if you want to use some other oils, just make sure that your oils don't have a very strong smell, and this way you will be able to smell nicely and fully of the Roman chamomile essential oil or any other oil. So what we're gonna do now, we're just gonna mix everything. We're just gonna put all these ingredients into one bigger beaker. So I have a scale here. As usual, the whole formula and recipe you will find in the description box below. So I'm putting the empty clean beaker onto my scale, stirring out the scales, and I'm adding argan oil. So argan oil, I used 50% of the whole formula for the argan oil. Okay, then I used 33% of squalene, olive squalene oil. And then I used rosehip oil, 10% of rosehip oil back into the beaker. And what I do now, tearing out the scales, and I just gonna put 5%, which is 0.5, because I'm making only 10 grams of it. 0.5 of the castor oil. So castor oil, I'm just gonna use a little pipette here, as you see. 0.5. Castor oil is pretty thick, but I'm just gonna be very careful not to, because it's so easy to get it more than 0.5, especially when you work with such a small you know, tiny measurements, so you need small tiny measurements like tiny pads, tiny beakers. So, okay, a little bit more. Okay, castor oil, tearing out the scales. We're gonna use 1% of vitamin E, 1% of 10 grams is 0.1. So vitamin C, it's very thick as well, so just probably it's gonna be 1 drop. It was about 3 drops. And tearing out the scales, gonna add a Roman chamomile essential oil. As I mentioned, if you don't want Roman chamomile essential oil, use any other essential oil. As well, 1% of the whole formula. So, as you see, everything is in here. Now we need to mix it very well. So, it's come like a light, nice yellow color. And the Roman chamomile, I love the smell of the Roman chamomile. Let's take some paper. And it's very simple and easy now. Need to transfer into this little cute bottles. Yes, so it's all here. Let's close it. And that's it, guys. That is your lip oil serum, if you wish to. They're very cute. Give it to your friends. It's super simple, easy to do. Feel free to experiment with any oils what you have, maybe, you know, or what you would like to use, and look how cute and little they look. It's amazing. You know that I am a lover of all the lip balm stuff, you know, and this is, I thought, it's literally 1 little drop and onto your lips. It's very good to use this oil, especially if you will feel that, okay, I don't like to be my lips oily or anything, you know, during the day. So keep this little container beside your bed and put it on your lips while you will be sleeping, okay? Before you sleep. It's gonna do a great things to your lips. So I hope you enjoyed this little cute video. Thanks Formula Botanica for inspiration, and I see you next week. Bye!